Welcome to our exploration of adjectives that start with the letter C. Adjectives are powerful words that help us describe people, places, things, and ideas in more detail. The letter C brings us a collection of creative, colorful, and captivating adjectives that can add flair to your conversations and writing. In this video, we'll journey through a variety of C adjectives, learning their meanings and seeing how they can be used in everyday language. Whether you're a student, a writer, or just someone who loves words, you'll find plenty of inspiration here. Let's dive into the world of C adjectives together. Word calm is a wonderful C adjective that describes a state of peace and tranquility. When someone is calm, they are not easily upset or excited. Imagine a calm lake on a quiet morning, or a person who remains composed during stressful situations. Using calm in your descriptions can help convey a sense of relaxation and steadiness. It's a versatile word that can describe both people and environments, making it a valuable addition to your vocabulary. Next up is caring. This adjective is used to describe someone who shows concern and kindness towards others. A caring person is thoughtful, empathetic, and always ready to help those in need. Whether it's a friend who listens to your problems or a nurse who looks after patients, caring perfectly captures their compassionate nature. Using this word can add warmth to your descriptions and highlight the positive qualities in people. Cheerful is an adjective that brings to mind happiness and positivity. A cheerful person is always smiling, spreading good vibes wherever they go. This word is perfect for describing someone who lifts the mood of a room or a bright, sunny day that makes everyone feel good. Adding cheerful to your vocabulary can help you paint a picture of joy and optimism in your stories and conversations. The adjective clever is used to describe someone who is quick thinking and smart. A clever person can solve problems easily and often comes up with creative solutions. Whether it's a student who finds a shortcut to solve a math problem or an inventor who creates something new, clever highlights intelligence and ingenuity. This word is great for emphasizing someone's mental sharpness. Courageous is a powerful adjective that describes someone who faces danger or challenges without fear. Courageous people stand up for what they believe in, even when it's difficult. This word can be used for heroes, activists, or anyone who shows bravery in tough situations. Using courageous in your writing can add strength and admiration to your descriptions. When someone is described as charming, it means they have a pleasant and attractive personality. Charming people are often easy to talk to and make others feel comfortable. This word can also describe places or things that are delightful and appealing. Using charming in your vocabulary helps you express admiration for someone's personality or the beauty of a place. Creative is an adjective that celebrates imagination and originality. Creative people think outside the box and come up with new ideas, whether in art, music, writing, or problem solving. This word is perfect for describing artists, inventors, and anyone who brings something new into the world. Adding creative to your descriptions can highlight innovation and uniqueness. Curious describes someone who is eager to learn and explore new things. Curious people ask questions and seek out knowledge about the world around them. This adjective is great for describing children, scientists, or anyone who loves discovery. Using curious in your language can help you express a sense of wonder and a desire for learning. Confident is an adjective that describes someone who believes in themselves and their abilities. A confident person is not afraid to take on new challenges or speak their mind. This word is often used to highlight leadership qualities and a positive self-image. Using confident in your descriptions can add a sense of strength and assurance. The word composed is used to describe someone who remains calm and in control, even in stressful situations. A composed person doesn't let emotions take over and can handle pressure gracefully. This adjective is useful for describing professionals, performers, or anyone who manages to stay cool under pressure. Compassionate is a strong adjective that describes someone who feels deep sympathy and concern for others. Compassionate people are moved by the suffering of others and often take action to help. This word is ideal for describing caregivers, volunteers, or anyone who goes out of their way to support those in need. Capable is an adjective that means someone has the skills and ability to do something well. A capable person can handle tasks efficiently and is often trusted with important responsibilities. This word is great for describing employees, students, or anyone who consistently gets things done. Cautious describes someone who is careful to avoid danger or mistakes. A cautious person thinks before acting and pays attention to details. This adjective is useful for describing drivers, decision-makers, or anyone who values safety and precision. Charismatic is an adjective for someone who has a magnetic personality and easily attracts others. Charismatic people are often leaders, speakers, or performers who inspire and influence those around them. This word is perfect for describing someone who stands out in a crowd. Comical is an adjective that means something or someone is funny and makes people laugh. Comical people have a great sense of humor and can lighten the mood in any situation. This word is great for describing comedians, funny stories, or amusing events. Crisp is an adjective that describes something that is fresh, clean, or sharply defined. It can be used for weather, food, or even paper. For example, a crisp autumn morning, a crisp apple, or a crisp white shirt. This word adds a sense of clarity and freshness to your descriptions. Clumsy is an adjective for someone who is awkward or uncoordinated in their movements. A clumsy person might trip, drop things, or bump into objects. While it can be used humorously, it's also a gentle way to describe someone who isn't very graceful. Classic is an adjective that means something is timeless, traditional, and never goes out of style. Classic books, music, or fashion are admired for their enduring quality. This word is perfect for describing things that have stood the test of time. Colorful is an adjective that describes something with many bright and vivid colors. It can also be used metaphorically to describe lively personalities or exciting stories. A colorful painting, a colorful character, or a colorful festival all bring vibrancy and energy to mind. Comfortable is an adjective that means feeling at ease, relaxed, or free from pain. It can describe furniture, clothing, or even situations. A comfortable chair, a comfortable sweater, or a comfortable conversation all make people feel good and at home. Costly is an adjective that means something is expensive or requires a lot of resources. A costly mistake, a costly purchase, or a costly decision all imply a high price, whether in money, time, or effort. This word is useful for emphasizing the value or risk involved. Critical is an adjective with two main meanings. It can describe something very important, like a critical decision, or someone who judges or evaluates, like a critical reviewer. This word adds seriousness and importance to your descriptions. Crowded is an adjective that describes a place filled with many people or things. A crowded bus, a crowded street, or a crowded event all suggest little space and lots of activity. This word is useful for painting a picture of busy environments. Curly is an adjective that describes hair or objects with curls or spiral shapes. Curly hair, curly fries, or curly ribbons all have a distinctive, bouncy appearance. This word adds a playful and lively touch to your descriptions. Cynical is an adjective for someone who is distrustful of others' motives or believes people act only out of self-interest. A cynical person often doubts sincerity and expects the worst. This word is useful for describing skeptical attitudes. Chilly is an adjective that describes something cold or cool, often used for weather or rooms. A chilly morning, a chilly breeze, or a chilly drink all bring to mind a refreshing or brisk feeling. This word is great for setting the scene in stories. Chaotic is an adjective that describes situations that are disorganized or out of control. A chaotic classroom, a chaotic event, or a chaotic desk all suggest confusion and lack of order. This word is useful for emphasizing messiness or unpredictability. Compact is an adjective that means something is small, tightly packed, or efficiently designed. A compact car, compact apartment, or a compact device all save space and are easy to manage. This word is great for describing things that are practical and convenient. We've explored a wide range of adjectives starting with the letter C, each bringing its own unique flavor to the English language. From calm and caring to chaotic and compact, these words help us describe the world in vivid detail. Remember, using a variety of adjectives can make your writing and speech more interesting and expressive. Keep experimenting with new words, and you'll find your language skills growing stronger every day. Thanks for joining us on this journey through C adjectives.